I met this lady in the toilet cleaners section, and I told her what I wanted, and we both searched for the toilet cleaner I came for, but we couldn't find it. Guys, I mean, in this big shopping mall, we couldn't find the toilet cleaner I came to buy. But guys, she tried introducing other toilet cleaners to me. But man, if I wanted to use other toilet cleaners, I mean, I would have cleaned my toilets long ago. Okay, but since I came for this particular hypo toilet cleaner, I just have to get it. Okay, so we kept on searching, and man, guys, no hypo toilet cleaner. So guys, since I couldn't get the item that brought me here in the first place, I decided to, do a mini shopping, pick one or two things here and there. I mean, items that I don't have anymore at home, like my kids' provisions, okay, their cereals, their milk, okay. I know I just did shopping of recent, but man, the way these things finish is it's amazing, it's mind-blowing. So I just had to pick one or two things, okay, and after that I left. Okay, so guys, since I couldn't get hypo toilet cleaner here, I would have to go to the main market, okay, to look for that. So let me go pay for these stuffs, and I will take you guys alongside with me to the main market. Guys, I found the hypo toilet cleaner. Obonge for removing tough stains and also removes odor. Guys, I can't wait to show you guys the magic this hypo toilet cleaner does. Okay, I'm just super excited. I mean, I've not been able to clean my toilet all this while because I couldn't find this. And you guys saw in the supermarket, I mean, this thing is not even in the supermarket. So I'm just so glad that I saw this hypo toilet cleaner. I mean, here in the main market. And guys, I'm going to pack it. I'm going to pack it. I don't want to run out of it, okay? So guys, once I'm done paying for this, I'll go show you guys at home the magic. Yes, that's the word. I'll show you guys at home the magic this hypo toilet cleaner. Dad, keep watching. You want to see the magic this toilet hypo cleaner is going to do, okay? So guys, Keep watching.
This also 600. Yeah, it's 400.
So guys, I'm back home and I'm ready to get into the real deal. Without talking much, guys, let me just start cleaning, okay? So yeah, like I mentioned, this is what I'm going to be using. Harcourt toilet cleaner. Guys, I'm going to be showing you guys the magic this works, okay? So you guys will understand the reason why I had to go look for this. So guys, after I got done with the potties, I went over to the main toilet. This was the very last thing I washed. Reason because I wanted the hypo toilet cleaner to sink in very well. I mean, I had to soak it for like 20 minutes before I came over here to wash the main toilet. So my darlings, I don't finally clean finish. Oh. Look at how clean the WC is. I mean the water closet. I feel so relieved to have finally done this cleaning today. Guys, as in I really can't explain or express how I feel, all thanks to an amazing toilet cleaner. So guys, I'm done cleaning. It didn't take me much time to clean. Reason because of what? This hypo toilet cleaner. It works like magic. I mean, guys, let me even take off this. This hypo toilet cleaner works like magic. I don't know how I would have survived cleaning. I mean, you saw how dirty the bathtub was. You saw how dirty the toilet was. Guys, don't judge me. Oh my God. Don't judge me. Oh. It's not easy to be a mother living without a help. But regardless, I'm just so happy that I motivated myself to do this cleaning today, and with the help of this hypo toilet cleaner, it made life easy for me. I mean, it made cleaning easy for me, and I'm so glad I packed it. I mean, I packed it. So guys, go get yourself toilet cleaner. I mean, go get yourself not just ordinary toilet cleaner, but hypo toilet cleaner, and be like Mommy Becky. I mean, my children's toilet is really neat. My children's toilet is very neat right now, and I'm super happy. I mean, good. You know that kind of satisfaction when you've been able to carry out a task you've kept pending, you've had it in your heart, you've just been postponing, looking for the day you will motivate yourself to do it. And I'm glad I cleaned this toilet today. So guys, tomorrow I'm going to cook hot soups for my darling husband, since I'm preparing for him to come, okay? And you want to come back to watch my cooking video, and I'm also going to be cleaning in the kitchen as well. I'll also be showing you guys how I clean and keep my kitchen neat. So guys, come back, turn on your notification bell so you don't get to miss a video from Becky the Mommy's channel. My darlings, don't forget, go buy yourself hypo toilet cleaner. Bye bye.